In this video, we are going to show you around the arts facilities that are available to students at Bard College Berlin. At BCB, students in our practicing arts courses make use of artistic opportunities and spaces across campus. In the factory, our renovated industrial space, which has been home to the arts at BCB for a decade, students have access to individual and shared studios, as well as areas for performing arts, ceramics, and classroom spaces. Students interested in analog photography have access to our on-campus darkroom, and students interested in film have access to our AV room, where they can borrow sound and video equipment. Our media studio is available to all students for sound or video editing. 10 minutes away from campus, students can also take courses at Monopol, BCB's newest space for the arts. Once a distillery, the Monopol complex offers historic and unique spaces for painting, glassblowing, performing arts, and sculpture. BCB students work alongside professional artists, some of whom also teach courses at the college. At the end of each term, BCB art students have the chance to showcase their works to the whole community through open studios and the Performance Factory. In addition to that, our location in a major European arts center gives students access to a vibrant art scene filled with museums and galleries that they can explore during their studies. Thanks for watching. We hope this video helped you gain an impression of the arts facilities at BCB. Hope to see you at an exhibition or performance on campus soon.